Welcome to Dakota Mindscapes. In the law of assumption, every reality already exists. There is a version of you and your specific person where the two of you are reunited, healed, and closer than ever. You don't need to change them. You only need to step into the version of yourself who is already loved, already chosen, and you are already back together. You only need to align with that because creation has already occurred. There is a timeline where you are reunited as a couple deeply in love. This meditation uses the whisper method and will help you get into that feeling state so that you will feel that connection and know that you are reunited and together again. Imagine now a beach at sunset. You can hear the ocean softly. In the distance you see them, your specific person. They are walking toward you with kind eyes, open energy, and a gentle smile. It feels natural to see them again. Now they are standing before you. You notice a golden thread of light extending from your heart to their heart. It is glowing, alive and unbreakable. This thread is your eternal bond, stronger than time, distance, or separation. You take a gentle step closer. Lean in softly and whisper your heart's desire into their ear. Maybe you whisper, "Come back to me. Let's start again. I want us to be together. I have changed. I love you and I miss you." Now say what feels true for you and feel the golden thread glowing brighter as your words reach their heart. They hear you, their eyes soften, filled with love and recognition. They lean in close, their lips near your ear, and they whisper back to you. Maybe the words are, "I've missed you too. I've never stopped loving you. I want another chance. Let's get back together." You now hear them whisper the words that you desire to hear. Their voice feels warm, real, and certain, like a promise echoing in your heart. The golden thread between you glows even brighter now, flowing with love, reunion, and peace. You reach for each other's hands, and when your palms touch, everything feels right again. The misunderstandings fade, the pain dissolves, and only love remains. Together you breathe as one. Your hearts are connected and reunited. It feels natural, easy, inevitable. Whisper softly now to yourself. We are back together now. Our love is stronger than before. We have healed and returned to each other. It feels natural to be together again. Feel the truth of these words sinking deeply into your heart. The reunion already exists, and by stepping into that timeline now, you can call it into being. Know that the golden thread remains, always connecting you and your specific person. Separation was only an illusion. You are reunited. You are chosen. You are loved.